Last time, a fan left a message saying that the design of our air compressor will make a lot of noise. So just in time for the opportunity to test today, I'll measure our real noise for you. Now the air compressor is in a running state. The valves at the back are all drained. This saves the exhaust noise of this exhaust. So we follow the standard 1 meter and 1 meter. Now our TVL noise is 70. So that's the noise we're running around right now. So it still runs at a relatively high temperature. Also, noise, it runs relatively quietly. Well, industrial equipment is relatively quiet, but we're still working on making it a little bit quieter. Okay.